Good morning. I am Liji RV, first sem DL teaching student. January 3, it's International Mind Body Wellness Day. A time to recommit to loving both our bodies and minds by putting new strategies for development and wellness into action. In remembrance of the birth of Louis Braille, the inventor of Braille, January 4 is marked as World Braille Day. No one should have to deal with the mental health challenges on their own. A healthy care strategy called Mind Body Wellness concentrates on how the mind and body interact. In addition to promoting general wellness, this kind of care can be used to prevent or treat medical conditions. International Mind Body Awareness Day honors and promotes awareness of the vital connection between the mind and body, inspiring people to value and take pressure in all facts of wellness. Significance of International Mind Body Wellness Day. An essential component of general health and well being is mind body wellness. Mind body wellness has many advantages such as lowering stress levels, enhancing mental and emotional well being, and enhancing physical well being. Both our minds and body can suffer from stress. You can manage stress in a healthy way by engaging in mind body wellness. Mind body wellness day celebrated to join yoga classes, practice deep breathing exercise, etc. Many people have discovered that setting aside some time each day, that setting aside some to concentrate and calm their minds can improve their general quality of life. Thank you.
ഞങ്ങൾ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന വീഡിയോകൾ മുടങ്ങാതെ കിട്ടാൻ ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്ത്